Hi, and welcome to another GrandMA3 Tips and Tricks video. Today, we create a SizeMaster for relative position phases. First of all, we need some groups and presets. Store them as recipes in a sequence. Do not forget to label. We create the relative position phaser from two relative tilt positions. Activate both steps and transform them to a circle. I save the phasers under the All presets. To get the circle phaser nice and symmetrical, we use matrix. 2 wings, 360 phase, and the most important transform to mirror. Now, we save the created phaser with the matrix as recipe in a sequence. The sequence just created, the tracking and off when overridden is deactivated. To be able to adjust the speed with the fader, we change the handling of the fader to speed. So now we have a relative position phaser stored on an executor. Now to the SizeMaster. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any new videos. For the SizeMaster, we create a relative position preset with the value 0. Name this as Rel0 and save the whole thing as recipe 2. Label the sequence as SizeMaster, disable tracking and off when overridden, set the priority to super and change the fader handling to temp. Now we have a SizeMaster with which the size of a relative position phaser can be adjusted. What is confusing is that the size gets smaller when the fader goes up. To get around this, rather than flipping the fader, we simply store an empty second cue in the sequence and change the fader handling from temp to X. So we tell the fader to make a crossfade. Now we activate the first cue of the SizeMaster and the size of the running phaser is set to 0. If we move the fader up, the size of the phaser is increased. The whole thing works, of course, also with several phases in the phaser sequence, like here in the example with a tilt phaser. Easy. And always happy show.